this crawfish. Cheese. Oh, what is that? I'm gonna catch it. What? That's
It's a shrimp.
You're so comfy.
Where it's so fluffy. Asher, come on, let's go have some more fun. Daddy, look.
I see it. We are here.
This one next. This is gonna be funny. Wait. Huh? Wait.
Oh.
It goes right there.
All right, what's the other planets?
Daddy, is this one there? Daddy, and the rocket was flying all the way over here. Piggy.
Hello.
Dad, come here.
No, you.
What's this? Owl. A squirrel. Raccoon.
You going shopping?
Dad, you have to do this.
Okay, I work there, and you're shopping.
This too. Yeah. And then you have to stay there. You need it.
You ready to check out? All right, we got one corn. What is that? Barbecue sauce. Cereal. What is that? Oh. Put that on yet. Ezra, you got to put cheese on next. But here's the cheese. Yep, put the cheese.
Where's that one with my pizza too?
Look at mine. Ezra.
I'm done with my pizza already. Cheese.
Hold on, what else?
Eat it.
Yeah.
Sicky, 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 sicky.
Friends. Friends don't eat each other.
Ah!
A bee!
Hey guys, I'm just your friend.
You are?
Oh, I like it.
Dad, is that high enough?
Now you got to touch the top.
I can't, Dad. It's too high. I'm stuck.
Stand up.
I'm stuck between the trees. Daddy, help me.
Hey, he made it. All right, jump off. No, you hop in right there.
Wow.
All right, y'all look out. Look this way.
Get your head out, baby.
Whoa, it goes everywhere.
Looks really good.
Bye. It looks like hair.
Looks like hair?
I'm gonna climb up this tree for real.
Okay, go.
Okay, baby.
Some chips.
Do you want cheese?
Wow. Let's go ride. Woo. This is a nice day. One day. This burned my butt.
All right, go.
I'm watching, love.